It was installed in October last year. It's been almost a year. As for winter with snow removal, I hire a company that do snow removal with plows and snow plows. They do both. And I knew there was no danger because all the new snow blowers and new plows are equipped with Teflon baffle that can't damage the paving stones, let alone the rubber paving. There you have the proof that we had a complete winter and there is no marks of plows or anything. It doesn't leave lines or anything. It's amazing. When I met the first person who had it installed 8 years ago in Montreal, Quebec, we went to see installations and spoke to the lady. She said it's been 8 years and it still looks like this. There's no difference. It is identical. The black has not changed color. There's no marks. There's nothing to complain about. If this installation is 8 years old and looks like this, good. This product will last. We weren't afraid anymore. We just couldn't wait for them to come and do it.